get on the plane. Lots of people in line. They'll probably take a while. Okay. And we're boarding.
Yeah, I will.
Where are you headed? Way behind me?
No, I'm just right next to you.
Thank you. Salt Lake City. 2-hour layover. Joy. It's raining here. Noisy. Anyway, just landed. Waiting for my son and my granddaughter to pick me up. Let's see. This place is huge. It's like 40-some degrees here. And I think it's about 11:30 at night. I'm excited. I don't know if you'll come around this road or that road over there. I haven't seen any cars. Maybe this is just for buses. Not sure. Okay, my son just showed up, and unknown to me, he's driving the BMW. Oh my God, I missed you so much. My son driving a Beamer?
Well, you can sit in the front or you can sit in the back with Debbie. She's on the passenger side.
I'll sit in back with her. Hi, son.
Hi.
Oh God, I miss you. Oh, sorry. Oh,
Oh, it's not open. Sorry.
that's okay. So everybody, this is my son, Eric.
Hello.
Better known as Buddy.
Yeah.
And this is my granddaughter. Oh,
There you go.
Buddy, you got babies. Oh, God, I'm so happy for you. You got babies.
Let me pull that out of there. That's
You got babies.
I do.
I kept telling the girl I was sitting next to I wasn't going to cry. Oh my gosh. Hi, sweet angel. Boy, girl, you don't know how long we've been waiting for you and your brother.